Do you need access to all of your 2.5-inch drives? Well, SABRENT is here with this enclosure. Hello everyone, my name's Mike, and here at SABRENT we love to make and talk tech. So if that's what you're into, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. So today I'm going to be talking about the SABRENT USB 3.0 to 2.5-inch SATA external aluminium hard drive enclosure. This enclosure is Mac, Windows, and Linux compatible, so this enclosure is plug and play. Anyway, let's get into this thing and show you what you get in the box. First of all, you get the instruction manual, which will go through all of the user guides and tips. You get a protective case, screws and screwdriver for securing the hard drive into the enclosure, a USB-A to USB-A cable, and lastly, the enclosure itself. I'll also like to mention that you can get an optional shockproof case for your enclosure as well for that extra durability. All that you need to do is, of course, remove the case from the packaging, and then you just want to line up the portholes on the enclosure and the shockproof case, and then just slide it in and just stretch it over. And there you go, we now have a shockproof case for your enclosure. To install a 2.5-inch SSD or hard drive, all that you need to do is just take off the bottom part that has the port on the enclosure. Then you want to line up the SATA ports together and then slot it into place like so. And then you want to slide the hard drive and the bottom part into the enclosure, and then you want to grab the included screwdriver and screws and then just secure the hard drive in the enclosure. And there you go, we've just installed a 2.5-inch drive into the enclosure. Pretty easy, right? Now just be aware that the larger 2.5-inch drives won't fit with this enclosure, so it has to be of the thinner type, not the thicker type. This drive is made of aluminium, meaning that not only is this super durable, but helps with heat dissipation as well. The finish is absolutely stunning and looks super premium on any desk setup, and definitely punches well above its price point. The USB 3.0 port allows for up to 5 gigabits per second, meaning that you can have access to your drives as quick as possible. If you want to go ahead and pick one up, then I'll leave a link down in the description below. But anyway, that's it for today's video. If you've enjoyed it, then make sure to smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.